everyone, my name is Madison. I work with the city of Anaheim and I am back with a fun quarantine craft for you to do with some supplies you hopefully have lying around the house. So before we start, we want to make sure that we wash our hands for at least 20 seconds to make sure we are staying safe and healthy. Once you're done with that, let's go ahead and start with our craft today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some fun and cute rock bugs. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these cute little rock bugs. For today's craft, you're going to need a couple supplies. First, you'll need some black paint, white paint, and at least one other paint color of your choice. You're also going to want a couple different sized paintbrushes, newspaper or a tablecloth to keep your table clean, and at least one flat, smooth rock. First, choose a rock you'd like to paint. If you can't find a smooth rock, choose a rock with at least one flat side. Next, you want to paint the rock one entire color. And you might have to end up doing a couple coats to make sure the entire rock is covered, and that's okay. We just want to make sure we get it all on one side. You'll probably want to wait about 10 minutes for your rock to completely finish drying. While you wait, feel free to read a book, maybe go for a quick walk, or paint another rock or two. So while that one is drying, this one is already dried. I went ahead and get started a little bit earlier. We want to decide which side of the rock is going to be the head. So we're going to take a paintbrush and paint a half circle in black on one of the ends. And if you think your hand is steady enough, you can draw a small straight line just right down the middle of the back to show where the wings would be. Now we'll leave it to dry for about another 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to take a smaller brush, and you can do polka dots, stripes, whatever designs you would like on your rock bug. And for the stripes and polka dots, you can use black or you can use any colors you would like. I'm going to try pink, bring a little springtime into this. Okay, so once you've decorated your wings with stripes or polka dots, it should come out a little bit like this. Okay, and last but definitely not least, we're going to add some eyes on our bug. So I have some googly eyes. And for the eyes to stick, all I'm going to do is put a very small drop of paint on the back side and then press it onto the side where you have your head painted. All right, there you have it. Your bug is all set to go, and I think it rocks. So feel free to sign your name on the bottom, leave it in a potted plant, or put it in your neighbor's yard to spread some joy and kindness. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to share with all your friends and family, and I'll see you next time for another fun craft. Thank you.